Songs of Ballet Nail Art Tutorial by Beetles. This set is the top trending set for enthusiast level. It comes with 4 color gels, well-chosen nail tips, numerous nail accessories, and beginner-friendly tools. Start with ease, upgrade with confidence. Now let's DIY nail art with Beetles. Take out the medium almond nude pink nail tips and nail glue from the set. Apply proper amount of nail glue to nail tip. Carefully press the nail tip onto natural nail. Cure for 30 seconds to ensure the nail tip bonds securely. Then cure for another 30 seconds. Start with clean nails after applying medium almond nude pink nail tips. Take out the French tip stickers and the tweezer. Use the tweezer to pick up the stickers and paste on nail plate. Be careful not to leave any gap. Apply this gel for French tip. Use the dotting pen to create the swirl effect. Cure for only 10 seconds to prevent the issue that stickers are hard to remove. Cure under a UV lamp for 30 seconds. Let's apply nail rhinestones. Apply rhinestone glue to nail plate. Use the tweezer to pick up pearl rhinestones and paste on nail plates. Cure for 30 seconds. Apply pearls on middle finger and pinky. Top coat makes your nails more durable and glossy. For better color fixation, we need to cure for up to 60 seconds. Apply rhinestone glue to nail plate. Use the tweezer to pick up ribbon bow rhinestone and paste on nail plate. Use the liner brush to seal ribbon bow rhinestone. Repeat the previous steps and paste on ring finger. Cure for 30 seconds. Well done. Now we are finished. Crafted for all mani skill levels, choose from Beetles Gel Polish DIY Set. Shop on Beetles Gel Polish Amazon store.